So this is a pretty straightforward beginner level example of a Android phone sending a message to the Arduino Uno, and the Arduino Uno displaying that message on the LCD. Then the Arduino Uno is going to send a message back to the Android phone, and the Android phone is going to display that on its display. So the magic happens with the Android phone having a built-in Bluetooth capabilities, and it talks to a Bluetooth modem represented in number 2. And that all happens through the RX and TX line between the Uno and the Blue Smurf Gold Bluetooth modem. And then the parallel display is pretty straightforward. All the code is on Instructable, so you'll get a chance to see all these diagrams and code. Main thing, this shouldn't be your first Arduino sketch, and 2, you should already have practiced doing a Hello World example from Eclipse, from your Android environment down to your phone. And lastly, you need to be comfortable changing the baud rate of your Bluetooth modem, because with this particular project, the default 115K is not gonna cut it. You need to cut it down to 57.6K. Hardware, we've kind of shown it on the last 2 diagrams. Software, all the listings for this hardware and software is in instructables.com. So the first thing we're going to do is change the baud rate to 57K, and you'll do this by having an FTDI chip between your Blue Smurf Gold and a computer. I have a whole separate video that shows how to do this, how to use TeraTerm or HyperTerminal to change the baud rate. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to modify the sample app from Google. If you take this final line that's highlighted and then you copy that over to the existing line in the sample code, you overwrite that line, then it's all going to work. That's really the only change you have to make in the whole sample app. So I'm not going to put the whole sample code in Instructables. I want you to download the latest and greatest from Google, because they may make changes depending on the targeted operating system. In this case, I'm targeting 2.2 Froyo. That's what I have on my Droid. Another really important thing that you need to do that I don't go over here is you need to turn on your USB debugging in your development settings, so that when you compile this and send it to your device, that it can actually go from the USB output of your computer down to your phone. So like I said before, here's where all the magic happens, and it's in this Bluetooth chat service class, and we're going to go down to this line right here, the my UUID. Well, so first of all, I'm going to copy what the code is that you need to change it to. I'm just going to make a quick copy here and then go down to this line, comment it out, and then paste in what the actual value is. So you can see that value in there, the UUID. That's a pretty supposedly it's a pretty common UUID for a lot of different devices. If you don't make this change, then this sample app is not going to be able to talk to your Bluetooth modem. So the Bluetooth modem needs that particular UUID before you can talk to it. So we're going to run this sample app, save it, and it targets the actual phone, my Droid, that I have plugged into the USB. Remember, you need to go into your settings, then applications, then development, and then make sure you have USB debugging checked on. So it's the Bluetooth chat application, and I'm going to show you how it works. You can see the Bluetooth modem, it's blinking red, so it's waiting there. And so I'm launching, and there's a message saying that it's not connected to a device. And if you haven't paired it, you can go in and actually scan the device where you just saw and pair it. But look, I've already paired it, and all I did was connect to the device, and it goes from that red blink to green. And now this is not just paired, but it's actually connected, and I'm going to type a message. Okay, so I'm just going to type in a simple message in my Android device. It's going to type in hi. Sorry, it's so blurry, can't see anything. And then hit enter. It echoes it back on my Android on the Bluetooth chat, and then it sends it through the Bluetooth modem to the Arduino to the LCD, and it says hi. And then I'm going to send a message back from the Arduino, and it says hello from Arduino. I do that 2 times every 30 seconds, so it did it twice. So we'll wrap up this sort of beginner to intermediate level project. It's pretty much a simple change of code in the Google sample code, and then there's an Arduino sketch that I'll have on Instructables. So with this, I am sure you will be able to evolve this into lots of different things. Good luck.